Hey guys, I'm gonna do Fidget. Okay, so I got this homemade puppet that my friend gave to me. I've got this homemade tangle, which is actually a pipe cleaner. Then I've got this Doritos bag. Well, not really. I've also got this Hubba Bubba. And I've got strawberry squishy, and I got, I think this is Orby stress ball. Look. And then I don't want to take these out, but I'll do that in the next video. This is the slinky. This is the squishy in there. This is slime, which is really sticky. This is a simple dimple, which is homemade. This is a key ring. This is like, I don't know what this is, but it's homemade. Oh, I got that. And I got this. It's like Jacob's ladder. And there's nothing in there. And I got a lot more, which will be in part 2. Bye, guys!